62, 3-8, 29 KOs, the legendary Manny Pacquiao.
Here we go. Words of the Hall of Famer, may he rest. Did you ever think you would see Manny Pacquiao in a matchup like this?
Not at all, but I loved it.
Manny Pacquiao, susubukang putulin ang sumpa ng mga Hapon. Dadayo na sa bansang Japan para kasahan ang kilabot na kickboxing champion na si RUKIYA ANPO para sa 3 rounds na bakbakan mamaya. Halos inubos na ng mga Hapon ang ating mga boksingirong Pinoy. Kaya naman ang alamat na sa boxing na si Manny Pacquiao ang rarest back para sa ating mga kababayan. Sa buong professional career ni Boss Manny Pacquiao ay 2 Hapon na din ang kaniyang nakalaban at pareho niya itong tinudas via knockout. Bago umpisahan ang labang Manny Pacquiao kontra RUKIYA ANPO ay balikan muna natin ang 2 laban ni Pacquiao kontra sa mga Hapon. Unahin na natin, noong dumayo si Manny Pacquiao sa Japan taong 1998, dinayo niya ang Hapon na si Shintiraw para sa 10 rounds na laban. First round lang ang kinaya ng Hapon mula sa bagsik ng mga suntok ni Boss Manny Pacquiao.
真にとりましては大きなチャンスです。相手は現役の世界ランカー、そしてロンドンのゴングです。白井さん、はい、これはノンタイトル戦ではありますが、寺尾にとりましては大きな意味を持つ試合ですね。
ビッグチャンスですよね。この試合をね、なんとかものにしてね、このステップバイステップじゃないですけどね、英語とこういうのは気持ちでいるでしょうね。はい、
肩を上下に動かして小刻みに動いています。黒のトランクスに黄色いライン、寺尾氏、そして白いトランクの中央、マニー・パキャオを中心にして左へ左へと回っています。寺尾、右のフック。ですが、今日はなるべく足を使ってポイントを取って動いて相手を見ていきたい、そう話していました。その試合前の作戦通り、まずはリングの中央にマニー・パキャオ、そしてその周りを回っていくという寺尾シーンです。いきなり左を、いかがでしょう。やっ
ぱり体が柔らかいですからね、はい、状態をよく振ってますね。
お、第1ラウンドいきなり動きが止まったが寺尾、ボディ二頭打ち、ボディの真上、ちょっと手の下あたり二頭打ちに入りました。いきなり第1ラウンド、マニー・パキャオが出てきます。現役の世界ランカー、東洋太平洋の階級チャンピオン、2回目のダウンを取りました。
なんか足に来てますね。痙攣を起こしてないか。
レフェリーの阿部加藤が相手の寺尾の目をじっと見てからこの試合再開。一気にいきますマニー・パキャオ。寺尾苦しい。い
やー、もう本当に苦しいところですね。我慢ですね。
残り時間は30秒です。
クリッチした方がいいですよ。はい、そうですね。15秒ですね。
我慢できるか寺尾シーン、青コーナー2秒に詰まっています。残り時間10秒、粘れるか寺尾。第1ラウンド足に来ています。最後でダウンは、いやその前にゴングか、いや試合終了、試合終了。
いやよく頑張ったんですがね。
はい、
もう1秒が2秒ぐらい
残り1秒あったかどうかですね。青シーン第1ラウンドバットに沈められました。
だから聞いたでしょう。
具志堅さん、もう本当に1ラウンドというわずかな時間でしかありませんでしたが、このマニー・パキャオの動きいかがですか。ここです。胸のあたりなんですね。これは知らない。そしてこの後残り時間あと1秒というところで3度目のダウンを。
Sunod naman ay noong taong 2021, kinasahan niya ang Hapon na si Tetsutora Shinrima para ito sa pagdipinsa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang titulong WBC International Super Bantamweight title. 5 rounds lang ang inabot ng Hapon sa kamao ng ating pambato.
He has a reputation of durability. Itong si Shinrima, sabi nila, hindi na babagsak ito against Pacquiao, and he has vowed a second round knockout over the Filipino. Yeah, I read that, and he's been saying that since he arrived. Oh, Pacquiao got to give it a good left and a half right to the side of the ball. Oh, you might see Puerto Rico sitting down and getting up in a hurry. Shinrima's not fighting back. Pacquiao nails with a party of punches. Bringing a tremendous assault right here in the first round. Manny Pacquiao is going all out. Well, Pacquiao better be a little careful because, oh boy, this is scheduled for 12. So Pacquiao must pace himself, not unless he knows he can take this Japanese out in a few rounds. He's got him against the rope, another party of punches. But Senrima connected to the hard right that time. Pacquiao nails him with a left. He's really going for broke. That's why he's in a hurry. Kung tatagal ito ng 12 rounds. But this is so different from the way Manny has been fighting for the last several fights. Yeah, tama. Very durable customer ito si Senrima. Yeah, he's taken a lot of good punches from Pacquiao, but he's still coming back. He nails Pacquiao with a good left. And that shows that Pacquiao will hit. So you don't want to slice his mouth. Here he comes again. That's the punch that Manny Pacquiao has to watch out because that's the punch that, Nadal Hussein used against Pacquiao. Now this North Korean is really durable. The body. Senrima is getting battered by Pacquiao, but he's coming back. Another hard right by Pacquiao. Senrima against the rope. I think this is the first time Senrima has fought somebody like Pacquiao who has that kind of power. Senrima is getting nailed, but he connected to a good left of his own. Pacquiao is working to the body. Filipino, no? Yeah, Hachi Anoos. Yeah, he went down, but got back up to knock out Anoos. Yeah, in the 7th round, yeah. But ito, lumalaban pa din si Senrima. He's taken a lot of punishment, but he's still standing up, and he's fighting back. Well, Pacquiao is trying to hurt him to the body. He's sprinting him with his punches. And there goes the bell, and he's going forward. Yes, good. Totoo yan. And here comes Pacquiao once more. Another hard, cracking right. You've got to give this guy credit, Senrima. I mean, he's lasted more than a round, and that's a surprise because he has got hit with everything in the book. Pacquiao is now resorting to his boxing tactics. Good drive off with the right jab, which is what he should do. This may be the first time he has met somebody with this kind of power. Another parry by Pacquiao. But Senrima is taking everything that Pacquiao throws at him. It's unbelievable, partner. I cannot believe Senrima is still standing up. I mean, Pacquiao is hitting with everything in the book, everything conceivable on his feet. And he's fighting back. If you look at Senrima, whose real name is Chulho Khan. He's from North Korea. Now he's fighting back. That's Pacquiao again. He's running, but he remains dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Because of his durability, and of course, the stamina back from Senrima. And he's taken a good left and a right by Senrima that time. I cannot unhire. Senrima running in. Grabe. Sobrang matibay itong bata na. Now, that's not a good sign for Pacquiao because Senrima still hasn't shown what he's got. He's getting nailed with every punch in the book, but he's still on his feet and coming forward. I remember Pacquiao did this also to Barutillo before. Correct. He threw almost everything, and by the 4th round it was finished. The referee asked him to... Yeah. He should have given him time to rest. Senrima connects with the right. Good right by Senrima. That hurt. Pacquiao was in a little bit of trouble that time. He got nailed with a left and a right. Comes fighting back. Manny was watching him. It's a rumble. And Manny Pacquiao is so exciting. And Senrima beginning to bleed a little from his mouth. There goes the bell and round number 2. And look at Senrima taunting the crowd. Number 3 of a fight that's scheduled for 12. And look at this durable North Korean. It looks like he's winning the fight the way he showed up at his round number 3. Yeah. Of course, he's lost the first 2 rounds badly. He's standing again. He's getting hit with everything. I mean, everything, and he just won't go down. Manny has to go more for the body. Yes, I think so too. I think he should be a little more patient. Yeah. And a little more caution. In the fight against Nadal Hussein, Manny showed that he could box. And that's what he should do here. As long as maybe 8 rounds. Another great combination by Pacquiao, and Senrima is now beginning to wince a little. I think Senrima is going for the body and the head. Correct. Clapped him to the side of the head with the right. Manny already has his timing, you know? Yeah, perfect timing. His distance and timing are just perfect. The kid's in condition, obviously. He has trained well for this fight. Senrima remains a dangerous opponent. And at this point, Manny is just getting hit with everything. Now, it's the body. Yes, the body punches are wilting Senrima. When he goes to the body, he hurts the North Korean. And you can see the expression on his face, Popoy, every time he hits him on the body. Yeah. Now, I think there will come a point when Senrima will just tell himself, I mean, this is a rumble if you ever saw one. Well, so far it's been one-sided, Ronnie. It's been all Manny Pacquiao. But Senrima is moving in. And look at Senrima. For the amount of punishment he's taken, yes, he's coming back for more. Now but he's slowed down. He's slowed down. It's the body punches that are doing it. There goes the bell on the ground. Senrima stalking Pacquiao. Now, Mr. Rico, Popoy was there at ringside in Merida with Quinito Henson to watch Luisito Espinosa get. If Pacquiao just doesn't get careless, keeps his composure, keeps punching the way he is, sooner or later, Senrima is gonna go. He's got to. Yes, of course, there's the stamina. No? Yeah. Senrima trying to work to the body. Well, actually, slow down a bit this time. He needs to post a little bit. No? Yeah, he threw a lot of punches in the first 3 rounds. He might have punched himself out. So maybe a little posting here in the early minutes, then he'll pour it on towards the latter part of this round. But I think he doesn't want to give Senrima any chance to recover. Yeah. Parang posting ito for Manny Pacquiao. No? But the one thing you gotta like about Pacquiao tonight is the fact that his timing is perfect. And he's got the distance. And the combination. And he's fighting in parallel. He's throwing punches in combination. But he can't get cocky. He's got to be careful because Senrima is a tough fighter. The fact that he's taken so much punishment and hasn't gone down is a testament to his durability. Oh, that time, that's right, huh? Right. Sneaked in a nice right-hand shot. But he must also realize that he cannot let his guard down. Yes. Depensa niya dapat nandoon. Because a fighter like Pacquiao, after throwing so many punches, must be wondering what will it take to put this guy down. Kita mo itong Koreano, forward. Because Pacquiao appears to be parrying a little bit, now parrying with a good parry again. Oh, that was a good one. That hurt him. That hurt Senrima. He's about to go. I mean, first taunting Manny. And Manny goes after him. Senrima against the ropes. And Pacquiao is throwing every possible punch in the book. And look at Senrima, telling Manny Pacquiao, pour it on, sige lang. And he's still standing up. At the end. Okay, round number 5 of a fight that's scheduled for 12. Manny Pacquiao, the WBC International Super Bantamweight Champion, against Tetsutoro Senrima of North Korea, fighting out of Japan. Now, Senrima tries to slug it out and Pacquiao is nailing it with a flurry of punches. He's ahead of this time he's gonna go. Well, the defense of Senrima is all. He's in trouble. Pacquiao has him against the rope. But this is a massacre. Yeah. I think they will stop it. Yeah, they should. I think this is a massacre. He's the best boy. He's in trouble. He's backing up. He's in deep trouble. He has no defense. He has no defense. And the referee's going to stop it. He never went down. He never went down. But they stop it. Well, we haven't seen a fighter like Senrima come along our local stores in a long, long time. Gentlemen, the time 1 minute, 6 seconds of the 5th round.